How to verify KYC in Gate.io. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify your KYC in Gate.io. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, if you haven't signed up, I have given a sign up link in my description. Open it and sign up. So once you open the link, you will be taken to a page like this. Enter here your email and enter here your password. So after you have entered your email and password, here under referral ID, check this accept user agreement and tap on sign up. And here check this I am not a robot box. And here now complete the verification. And after completing verification, tap on verify. Now open the email you have entered. You will get a verification code. Enter here. So let me show you how to enter the verification code. Open your email. And you will get a email like this. Open it. Copy the verification code and paste it here, and it will automatically verify the code and your account will be created. So now once your account you have signed up on the Gate.io, go to Play Store and download the Gate.io app. I have already downloaded it. So after downloading, open the app. Here tap on your profile in the top left corner and tap on login sign up. Enter here your email. Under it enter here the password. After entering email and password, tap on login. And you will get a verification code on your email. Enter it here. So after you have signed in, here you will see sign up and 2-point KYC. Here the second step is KYC. So tap on KYC to verify, and here select personal or enterprise. So if you are doing it for yourself, tap on personal. If you have doing it for a company, tap on enterprise. So I am doing it for myself, so I will tap on personal. Then here first, here you have to select your country. So tap on it and select your country. You can also search here. After selecting your country, here enter your full name. After entering your full name, here you have to choose your date of birth. So tap on it and choose your date of birth. After choosing your date of birth, tap on here OK. Now here in the identity document type, you have to select national ID, passport or driver's license. So I'm going to select my national ID, and then here you have to enter the national ID number. So enter here the number. After entering number, tap on submit. Wait for some time, and here it says submit successfully. Data is submitted successfully and pending review now. So tap on confirm, and now you have to wait for some time. And now your data is sent for verification. So you have to wait for few hours and you will get a notification from Gate.io that if your account is verified or not. It will take from few hours to 24 hours, and after that you will get message notification from Gate.io. So this is how you can verify your KYC in Gate.io. Thanks for watching.